Hey guys, Sean here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful and professional looking landing page, and we are going to instantly monetize it with our thank you page. So not only we are going to create a list, but we will be making money at the same time. Having said that, I'm using a tool called System. I'm going to leave you a link underneath the description of this video, so you can click on this link and you can actually sign up. It is free forever, of course, with limited functionality, but if you want to upgrade it, it is very least expensive. Okay, you don't need ClickFunnels, you don't need any other expensive software. This is the best tool and I will recommend everybody to use it. There will be a link underneath the description of this video. You guys can simply click on that and you can sign up absolutely free. So once you sign up, you're going to see your screen like this. All you need to do, you can click right here on menu and you can click on funnels and you are going to end up on this page. Okay, here I'm going to simply click on create. Now it is asking me to create a new funnel, so I'm going to give my funnel a name, build an audience, and I'm going to select this one. As you can see, that collect email address and build your email list. I'm going to scroll it down and simply press create. Now it will automatically create two pages for you guys, squeeze page and thank you page. So it is asking us actually select your squeeze page. So I'm going to scroll it down. There are lots of choices we have, but I'm going to see that which one is easy to use. So I actually like these on. They are very fluff free and easy to use. So let's say I'm going to select this one. I'm going to click on select. Ready. Now after that, you're going to click on this pencil sign. But before I do that, I'm going to change the name. Instead of squeeze page, I'm going to say opt-in page, and I'm going to hit save, and then after that I'm going to click on this pencil sign, as you guys can see, that to edit the page. Okay, couple of things I would like to change here. First of all, there is a lot of space right here, so I'm going to click right here into row section setting right here, and as you can see that top, so let's see how it works. Okay, I'm going to go all the way back, so I'm going to bring all the way up. Okay, I'm going to hit save changes. So make sure whenever you make any changes, hit save changes, so your page will be saved and you don't lose anything. Now the next step is I have to add something into my headline. So I have already prepared something for you guys, so I don't waste your time. As you can see right here, simple system to make $2,500 a month on autopilot. So I'm just going to simply copy that, and I'm going to go back to my squeeze page. I'm going to click right here, and I'm going to remove this, as a matter of fact, and I'm going to paste my squeeze page. So it looks pretty big. So what I'm going to do, on my left hand side, as you can see, the font size, so I'm going to reduce the font size so it looks catchy and pleasant to the eye. I think that's cool. Simple system to make $2,500 a month on autopilot. So I can do one more thing, that I 2,500 a month, I can select that and I can change the color so it looks pleasant to the eye. I'm going to go down. As you can see, that text color, I'm going to simply click right here and I'm going to simply select that color. Ooh, this looks nice, right? So simple system to make $2,500 a month on autopilot. The next thing I don't want people's name. I want only email address. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this and I'm going to simply delete that field. Okay, now only email address. Now enter your name and email address, of course. So I'm just want to say enter your email address to get instant access. Okay, done. Now I don't need that text, so I'm going to remove. I'm going to hit enter one more time. Next thing is I need to hit save changes. Okay, let's preview it. How does it look? So I'm going to click on this I sign, I menu button. I'm going to click right here and let's see how it's going to look. So I'm going to remove this. I think it looks fine, but it still has a lot of space. So I'm going to bring my text a little bit up. So I'm going to close this and I'm going to click on my text. As you can see, the setting, and here if you scroll it down, reduce the top margin, as you can see that my text is going up. So I think this looks fine. I'm gonna hit save changes and let's see how it's going to look now. Okay, I think it looks perfectly fine. Simple system to make $2,500 a month on autopilot. Enter your email address to get instant access. People is going to enter the email address and they're gonna hit that button. We're gonna change that as well in a second, but this is how our squeeze page is going to look. So I'm gonna exit out. I'm gonna go back to my page. I'm going to click on my button, and on the left hand side we have the button option. We're going to scroll it down, so button text. So I'm going to simply say yes, please send me the system now. And if you want, as you can see, the font size, we can increase the font size as well. That looks ugly. Now this looks fine. So we can make any changes. If we want, we can change the button color as well, but for the sake of this video, I'm just going to leave it like this. And again, we can hit save change. We're going to go back. We're going to hit on this little button. It is going to take us to our funnel pages. Now we are going to create our thank you page. As you can see, that was our opt-in page. We just completed it. The next one is thank you page. So we're going to click right here and it will give us a couple of options, like 3 or 4 options. As you can see that you can select any page from here, thank you page we want. So I'm going to select this one. So I'm going to simply select it. Now I'm going to hit the pencil sign to edit the page. So again, there is a lot of space. So I want to bring this row a little bit up. So I'm going to click on this setting icon, and on top, as you can see, I'm gonna bring it a little bit up so it looks pleasant and it looks fine to the eye, so people can see it right away what exactly I'm saying on my thank you page. I think this looks fine, so we're gonna save changes and we are going to preview it. Okay, this looks fine. So we need to edit some text here. We're gonna X this out. We're gonna go back to our thank you page. So I'm gonna scroll it down. Thank you for subscriber. Again, I'm gonna click on this setting icon and I'm gonna scroll it down. I'm going to bring my text a little bit up. That's fine. I'm gonna hit that save changes. And now here I have already prepared a text for you guys so I don't waste your time. So but before I do that, I'm going to remove this. We don't want that. Yes, delete it. We don't want that field either, and we don't want that button either. Okay, now I added that text. $2,500 a month system is already redirected to your email. Please check your email in a couple of minutes. But before you go, I will highly recommend you to take a look at this extremely helpful product. Now on this thank you page, at the same time, they have already added their email address on our squeeze page. Now they landed on this thank you page. Here, I want to monetize this right away. We are going to pitch them an offer. If they happen to buy, we are going to make consistent income every month. Income I'm talking about. They will be rebilled every month until they cancel it. But this is a great opportunity to leverage that list, the people who sign up to get that freebie, to actually pitch them a simple super offer. How are we going to do that? The first thing we're going to do, let me just hit save changes first. We're going to go to ClickBank and we are going to click on Marketplace. If you don't have ClickBank account, simply create one. It's absolutely free. And then after that, come down and click on Marketplace. Here I'm going to choose a product that I want to promote on my thank you page. On your left hand side, as you guys can see the categories, I'm going to click on e-business and e-marketing. You can select any category. If you already have an audience and a special niche, you can choose any category to promote them the product according to their taste or passion. But for the sake of the demo of this video, I'm going to use e-business and e-marketing. I'm going to click right here, and from the sort result by, instead of rank, I'm going to choose recurring rebuild. Once I'm going to do that, as you can see that I'm going to scroll it down, and let's say there are different products. As you can see that, let's say this is the one, e-commerce empire academy, $778 you're gonna make by promoting this. And they have a rebuild as well, recurring rebuild, $280, which is quite cool. So I'm gonna click on promote. I'm gonna hit generate hop links, and I'm going to click right here, and it is, you have successfully copied your hop link. So my hop link has been copied. I'm gonna go back to my page, and here first of all I need to add that image where I can actually create a link. So what we can do, we're gonna simply click on this website. So as you can see that they will be presented with a webinar, so which is even more exciting because they will be selling them the offer, they will be pitching them, they will be giving them the value. More people is actually convert in the webinar as compared to a simple email or product promotion. So what I'm going to do actually, now what I need to do, I need to simply come down on this page. I'm going to right click and I'm going to save image as. Let's say this is the image I want. Okay, portable network graphics, so it will be in PNG. I'm gonna say e-commerce, whatever name I want to give. It's on my desktop. I'm gonna hit save. Now it has been saved. Okay, that's fine. I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna go back to my thank you page. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to simply, as you can see on the left hand side media, I'm gonna add that image right here. Okay, underneath I'm gonna select where exactly my image is. So if you guys remember, I have saved it with the name of ecommerce.png. I'm gonna open it. Boom, I'm gonna click on insert. Okay, the image is quite big, so I'm gonna click onto the image. On my left hand side, as you can see, the image size, so I'm going to reduce the size. Okay, that's fine. And right here, action on an image clicked. If someone clicked on that image, what will happen? Remember, I have copied my affiliate URL. I'm gonna simply paste it right here. That's cool. I'm gonna hit the tab key. I'm gonna hit save changes. Let me just preview how the page is going to look, and when we are going to click on this image, where exactly it is going to take us. I'm gonna click right here. Okay, as you can see, this is our thank you page. Thank you for subscriber, and they're gonna read all that text and they're gonna scroll it down. Since we are asking them to, highly recommending them to take a look at this extremely helpful product. It looks quite cool that this guy has that Comma Awards, and this is the picture. They're gonna click on this image, and as soon as they're gonna click on it, it is going to take them to that webinar page, which is even cooler. Okay, they're gonna sign up this webinar page. If they happen to buy it, we're gonna make money each and every month, recurring income. We are going to make it as long as they stay the customer of this product until they will cancel it, which is quite cool, right? Now I'm gonna hit save change, and I'm gonna go back to my funnel again by hitting on this button. Okay, the next step is we need to create an automation rule because we are giving them a freebie. Remember the $2,500 automation system. So I'm going to click on automation rule right here, and I'm going to add a rule funnel step from subscribe. I'm going to click right here, add action. What exactly I want that to happen? I want people to receive an email automatically with the PDF file that I promised them on our squeeze page. If you come down right here, as you can send an email to the contact here, right here, I'm going to click right here, and then we're going to click right here on this plus sign, and we're going to type the email. $2,500 a month automated system. This is the one I promised them on our squeeze page. So I'm going to say thank you for subscribing. Okay, I'm going to say $2,500 a month automated system into the subject line, and then I'm saying in my email body, thank you for subscribing. I have attached the file with this email. Please download it, take action, and ask me any question you may have. Best Sean. Next up, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add an attachment, and I'm going to click and choose a file, and then from here I'm going to choose that file. I have already saved it on my desktop. I'm going to click right here, the Fiverr file, Fiverr domination formula. I'm going to press on open, and as you can see that it has been attached. The Fiverr domination formula course guideline, it has been attached. We are done. We're going to go down. I'm going to add my name and the email address, and I'm going to scroll it down. We have already attached the file, so this email will go automatically. I'm going to hit save. We're done. As you can see, the send email, send an email to the contacts. So this is the email, as you can see, the subject line. This is how easy to create an opt-in page and thank you page that you can easily monetize it with an affiliate offer. So let me just go back to my squeeze page and let's take a look. I'm going to click right here. So let's see what will happen. People is going to come down to the squeeze page. Simple system to make $2,500 a month on autopilot. Enter your email address to get instant access. And I'm going to add, and let's say this email address. And yes, please send me the system now. I'm going to hit right here. There you go. They get straight to the thank you page. Thank you for subscribing. When they are receiving this message, they are redirecting to the thank you page. They are getting the email with the PDF file attached as well, and then they're gonna click right here. They're gonna get to that affiliate offer if they happen to buy it. This is how easily you can monetize your thank you page by building a list at the same time. I hope you like it. If you have any question, just leave me a comment and I'll help you guys out. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I will speak to you soon.